First, check out this lone hiker trekking through snowy mountains and this Pixar-style animated story. Would you believe me if I told you I created both of these videos using just a single line prompt with Flova AI? Let's dive in and see how this tool actually works. This is Parvez Durrani and you are watching Gurrutechsolutions. So first, we have to open Flova AI. Once you are on the main interface of Flova AI, you can see a chat option where you can simply chat to create videos. Unlike very complicated AI tools where you have to prompt everything to create a full story video, here you just have to chat with it. You simply give it a prompt in a conversational way and it handles all the complicated functions automatically. And here you can see that you have access to multiple image generation models. Models like Midjourney, Nano Banana Pro, and Seedream 4.1, these are some of the top-tier AI image generation models you can use to create high-quality visuals. For video generation, you get powerful models such as Veo 3.1, Sora 2, Sora 2 Pro, One 2.6, and Kling 2.6. These are considered some of the best AI video generation models available right now. For music, you have options like Suno and Murica, and for narration or voiceovers, you can use 11 Labs and Dubao. And here is a feature here called Skills. When you open the Skills section, you'll see two different options. The first one is Sora 2 Multi-Shot Playthrough. With this feature, you can generate 8 to 12-second shots, and each shot can include multiple camera cuts along with tail-to-head frame connection. What this means is that you can use the last frame of your previous shot as the starting point for the next one. This allows all your shots to connect seamlessly, creating a smooth and cinematic transition throughout the video. We'll be using this feature later in the video to create a complete, seamless AI-generated video. Down below, you can see your recent projects, and if you want to get an idea of how capable this AI tool really is, you can explore the example videos created with Flova AI. These videos are clearly labeled as being generated using Flova AI. As you can see, the level of detail and realism in these animated videos is extremely impressive. Now let's see how we can create the video that we showed earlier in the intro. For this, we use the following prompt. Create a cinematic video of a lone hiker trekking through snowy mountains, stopping to rest in harsh winter conditions. He drinks an energy drink to gain strength and continues hiking with renewed energy, all in a calm and realistic storytelling style. Once our prompt is ready, we can simply click on Generate. You don't have to worry about AI models, image models, or video models because Flova AI automatically handles everything and chooses the best model according to the needs of each scene and the overall situation. Now, Flova AI has analyzed our prompt and given us a confirmation message. Here, we need to make a few selections. We choose the video length, aspect ratio, and audio plan. If you want any specific branding details for the energy drink, you can also explain that here. So let's go to the prompt section and explain our requirements. We want a 20-second video. The aspect ratio should be 16:9. For audio, we want background music along with natural sounds like wind and footsteps on snow. And for the energy drink branding, it should clearly show the name Guru on the can. Once our prompt is ready, we click the Send button. Now the AI starts generating our project. What it does first is generate the fundamental visual anchor images. These are the key images that serve as the base for the entire project and help maintain visual consistency throughout the story. Here we can see our subject and the energy drink. At this stage, Flova AI gives us an option to confirm the results. If we are satisfied, we can continue. If not, we can regenerate the results. If we want to regenerate just the energy drink can, we can go to the Edit option, update the prompt, and regenerate only that element. The rest of the storyboard has not been generated yet. Since everything looks good so far, we continue. Now, Flova AI starts generating the static images for the storyboard. Once the images are ready, we can see that they look exactly as expected. The quality, consistency, and cinematic feel of the images are really impressive, and they perfectly match the style we are aiming for. Now that the storyboard images are ready, it's time to animate them. We simply write a prompt asking Flova AI to animate all the scenes and create background music and ambient sounds. This is one of the best things about this AI tool. Unlike other platforms where you have to animate each scene manually and generate sound effects separately, here you just give one instruction and Flova AI handles the entire workflow. Now the scenes are generated. This is the initial scene and it already looks very good. When we preview the scenes one by one, we can see that all of them look strong and cinematic. However, let's say we notice a problem in one scene. For example, we want the energy drink can opening shot to look more realistic. In that case, we simply go to the Edit Prompt section for that scene. We take the previous prompt and replace it with a new, more detailed prompt. We set the duration to 4 seconds and click on Create. Flova AI automatically selects the most appropriate video model and regenerates the scene. As you can see, it generates exactly what we asked for. Once all the scenes are ready, we go back to the prompt section and write a final instruction to continue with the generated clips and audio. Now, Flova AI starts assembling all the video clips, sound effects, and background music into a final cinematic video. Here you can see the final result. The music, sound effects, and visuals are perfectly synced, making the video feel realistic and professionally produced. Another great feature of Flova AI is that it allows you to edit the video just like a full-fledged editor. You can trim scenes, cut clips, and adjust timing very easily. For example, if we want to trim down a specific scene, we can do it instantly. We can also trim other scenes and adjust the music and sound effects. Once everything looks perfect, we move to the Export section. Here we have multiple export options. We can export all files separately, remove the watermark, export a Premiere Pro project, or export the final video as a single file. In this case, we simply click on Export, and here is the final video that we just generated using Flova AI. So now, let's move on to the next part. At the beginning of the video, we talked about the Skills feature. Now it's time to actually use one of these skill options to create a video. Let's go to the Skills section. From here, we'll select Sora 2 Multi-Shot Playthrough. Once we click on it, you'll see a structured prompt appear on the screen. These are essentially clear instructions for the AI, guidelines that the model will strictly follow. This section is known as the Storyboard Design Rules. It mentions that within a single shot, it's recommended to design multiple camera cuts and include character dialogues if the story requires it. This approach helps you fully utilize the capabilities of the Sora 2 model and achieve more cinematic results. Below this, you'll see additional storyboard rules that are automatically generated by the system to guide the video creation process. Now, at the bottom, this is where we enter our prompt. Create a Pixar-style animated story about a gentle princess living alone in a magical ice castle, with warm narration describing her quiet strength and the loneliness of an eternal winter. Once the prompt is ready, click on the Generate button. The first thing it does is generate the main character for the story. And here you can see the princess character it has created. Notice how the system automatically generates multiple shots and multiple angles of the character. These are multi-angle shots, and honestly, they already look really good. At this point, the system asks for confirmation to continue, so we'll simply type a prompt like, "OK, generate." Then click the Send button. Now it asks for further confirmation. Here we'll enter another prompt. Generate all shots with background music and one gentle male voice narration. We specifically want a male voice for the narration. After this, the AI will start generating all the images for each shot at once. Once all the shots and images are ready, you can review them. As you can see, all the generated images look consistent, well aligned with the character design, and visually polished. The results are looking really solid. Next, we'll move back to the prompt section and write another instruction. Animate all the shots in the storyboard and assemble a preview of the final video. What we're telling the AI here is to animate all the scenes and automatically assemble them into a final video preview. You do have the option to animate shots individually and review them one by one, but in this case, we'll let the AI handle everything at once. Now the system will generate the final video, complete with animation, narration, background music, and sound effects. Let's open it in full screen view and see how it looks.
In a kingdom spun from winter's thread lived a princess named Elara, whose world was a palace of shimmering ice. Her days were quiet, marked not by grand decrees, but by small, gentle rituals. She was the castle's solitary heart, tending to its frozen beauty with a warmth that defied the cold. From her window, she watched the endless dance of snow, a world both beautiful and distant. Sometimes a quiet sigh would escape, a whisper of the world beyond her crystal walls. But loneliness was not her master. In the heart of her castle, she nurtured a small, magical flame, a secret garden of light that bloomed only for her. She would whisper to it, "One day, perhaps." For her strength was not in a crown.
And this is our Pixar-style animated video, created using a single prompt and the skills feature. So, what do you think about this tool? I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this in the future.